Hi, if you want to enable or disable autofill passwords on iPhone 16e, then you need to go in your phone settings first. Here, scroll through the list till you can see section General. And then, if you scroll a bit down, you'll find Autofill and Password Setting. So, with the help of this feature, it automatically suggests passwords, passkeys, and verification codes when signing into apps and websites. If you can see that switcher is green, then the feature is turned on, and you can decide to autofill from the default iPhone's Passwords app. Or you can disable it like that. To disable autofill passwords and passkeys, you need to toggle off the switch by tapping it. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.